Here's how you can outsmart spammers to finally end unsolicited emails. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and I've got all the ways you can take back your privacy into your own hands at CyberGuy.com. That's also where you can sign up for my free newsletter. Now, if you ever attempted to unsubscribe from an email, you may sometimes have encountered an automatic page that confirms you've unsubscribed. Sometimes you may also get to a page where you have to fill out a form with your email address. How can you be sure entering this information is safe, though? It's sometimes a little tricky, but my best tip is to only officially unsubscribe by clicking that button in the email if you know the sender is legit. If it's, for example, from a store you've shopped with before or somewhere else you're familiar with, go ahead and hit the unsubscribe button and give it a few days for those emails to stop. Now, if you don't recognize a sender, whether you're sure if it's a potential spam or not, block the sender instead of unsubscribing. If you tap a link in a fake email, even if you don't fill out any information, you've given confirmation that your email address is active. My top recommendation to avoid being inundated with spam emails is to transfer your email account over to an alias email address. I'll show you how to do that over at CyberGuy.com. Just search alias email. For more ways to avoid being hacked or scammed, sign up for my free newsletter.